Hello, boys and girls. Today, we're going to be learning about how to extend your spaghetti noodle. Now, as you can see, I have two spaghetti strands right here. They are not connected at all. So how do we fix this? How do we connect them? Well, first, you take one noodle and straighten it out. That's right. Then you take your next noodle. Are you following along? Okay. Then you put that noodle next to it, and you want the ends to almost meet, just like so. Then you open this up. And you take a Band-Aid. And then you want to lift the two ends to the center point of the Band-Aid like this. Then you fold the Band-Aid over. Oh my gosh. I almost lost it. This is a very delicate procedure. Just hopscotch, hopscotch, hopscotch. See, you pull it over like that. Just like that. There we go. My noodles have been Band-Aid. And that's how you connect two noodles to get